In the previous lectures, we discussed about vlookup and lookup. Remember, the disadvantage of vlookup is values you are looking for has to be in the leftmost column or the first column. But with the index and match, we can overcome that disadvantage. So let's learn about index and match. First, we learn separately. What index returns is it returns the value at a specific positions, and match returns numeric positions of a value. Specific positions means columns and rows value. Let's say we want to find a record of column 3 and row 10. How to find a record using index? We can do it. Let's find, this is the data set. Let's say index 3 is C subcategory and row 10 is binders. So whether we can get it using index, let's say write is equal to index, expand it. There's two alternative. We'll choose first one. Array first, we have to select the array. Let's select a whole array. Control shift down arrow, control shift right arrow. Lock that. Using F4 you can. If it's not working, then manually you can do it. Row number is 10 and column number is 3. You see binders already come. Click on OK. You see we can, using this index method, we can get the value at specific positions. Let's do it for another record. Is equal to index, choose first one, go to this data, select entire data, control shift down arrow, control shift right arrow, lock that. Row number, now we want to get row number same 10, but now column 2. You see office supply. Now let's check whether it is office supply or not. Row 2, that is category, and 10 is office supply. You can see we're getting it right. Now let's go to the match functions. Match function returns the numeric positions of a value. You need to give it a particular value like this product ID, roll number, or a particular name, anything, and it will return its numeric position. So how to get it? Is equal to match, click on fx. Lookup value is for us this product ID first. Lookup array, go to this data, product ID is in first column. Okay, see lookup array is the contiguous range of cell containing possible lookup value. So we'll choose this entire, control shift down arrow. Match type, in match type, whether you can give 1, 0 or -1. You want to get the accurate value, so you have to give 0. You can see here help on these functions. Click on, you can see 1 means match finds the largest value in this less than or equal to the lookup value. We don't want to find the largest value. And if you give 0, match finds the first value that is exactly equal to, we want this one. -1 means greater than equal to lookup value, it will find. So we have to give 0. So that's why you given 0. Click on OK. You see this one, product ID, remember this, its positions is 3 or not. Let's check. 4, 5, 4. Product ID, you see 4, 5, 4, that is 1, 2, 3. It's give its positions. In this way you can return the numeric positions of a particular value. How to combine both the function together? Combining both the function together based on this product ID, you can find category, subcategory or cells. Now how to combine this index and match together? Remember that shortcomings or disadvantage, that the value based on the other value you are looking for should be the first column or leftmost column, but index match doesn't have that disadvantage. Let's figure it out. Let's cut this product ID, control X, go to the product name, right click, insert cut cells. You see product ID is no longer leftmost column. Now with the help of index match, we want to find subcategory based on this product ID, okay, or category based on this product ID. Let's do this. Is equal to index, expand it, click on first one, array. What is the array we are looking for? Here we want to look for the subcategory. Choose the subcategory, control shift down arrow, okay. Now row number, we don't know which row number. Based on this product ID we want to find, we don't know the row number. Remember, with the help of vlookup we can easily find those, but that value no longer leftmost column. So row number how to find? Remember, the match returns the numeric positions of a value. So is equal to match. Here in formula bar, click on match. Lookup value. What is the lookup value? Lookup value is here product ID, first product ID. Let's choose. What is the lookup? Array. Array is product ID, control shift down arrow. Now match type is 0. Click on this index. Now click on OK. Now you see for this product ID, subcategories chairs. Copy it down. You can see it populates with other product ID also. So with the help of index match, you can overcome the shortcomings or disadvantage of vlookup. With the help of vlookup, we can populate this data based on product ID. You can find category, subcategory, sales, but for each and individual records we need to create separate lookup functions. But we want to create here one particular functions and then copy it down, copy it right to populate the entire cell. With the index and match we can do it. So how to do it? Let's is equal to index, click on fx, make it bigger. What is the array? Here we want to copy it down and copy it to right, so that's why we need to select the entire array. Go to this data, control shift down arrow, control shift right arrow. Now lock that down. Now lock that. What is the row number here? We don't know what is the row number, that's why match functions comes. So right is equal to match. In that formula bar you click on match. Lookup value. What is the lookup value? Here lookup value is product ID, but remember we want to copy that down, that product ID. We don't want that particular column to change, but the rows to change. So lock that column. So before that column, write this dollar symbol. What is the lookup array? Lookup array is this product ID, control shift down arrow. Match type is 0. Now go to index. But now what is the column? Here column is category and then second column is subcategory and sales. Columns are changing. What is the column number? To get it, let's use another match function. Go to this match. What's the lookup value? Here lookup value is category, but here we don't want row to change but columns to change. Before this row, lock that row. So using dollar symbol you lock that. Lookup array. What is the lookup array? Go to this data. Now lookup array is this set of data, this set of columns. Range you select, lock that column range. Match type is 0. Now click on OK. You see furniture. Here we forget to lock this particular lookup array, so let's lock it using dollar symbol you lock. Now click on OK. Now you see furniture comes. Now copy that down and copy that down. Just using one functions, you copy that entire data and get the entire data based on this product ID. This bit more advanced function. Practice it more, you will get it.